Today I have a Mini Countryman, and I'm going to show you how to put the Mini Countryman into gear. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm sitting inside of my Mini Countryman behind the steering wheel, and in order to put it in gear, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press my foot on the brake. Okay, foot is always on the brake. My car is on currently, already started my vehicle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to the middle console down here. Do you see this right here? This right here is the shifter right here. With my foot on the brake, the vehicle is currently in park. Okay, so if I want to take the vehicle out of park, okay, he's currently in park. You can see that right there. There is a button on the side. Do you see this button? I have to press this down to put this go from park till drive, because if I try to pull it back, it will not allow me to do so. Okay, I have to unlock it by pressing this side button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this side button, and it'll allow me to go to drive or reverse if I need to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press this and pull it backwards, and it goes to drive. Okay, so it's in drive mode. Now, if I want to do some manual shifting, if I'm feeling kind of sporty, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it while it's in drive. My foot is still on the brake, and I am going to go ahead and shift it over to manual shift right here. And so when it's manual shift, I can control which gear that I'm at. It gives me a lot of power when I do this. Pull it back, it goes up a gear. Pull it forward, it brings the gear back down. Okay, so I can show you up on the screen. Okay, it shows. So right now it is in M1 or manual 1. If I want to go to manual 2, pull it back. Manual 3, pull it back. 4, 5, 6, 7, pull it back. And it goes back down to 2 because I'm not rolling right now, and so it automatically detects I'm not rolling, and it drives it back down to 2. And if I want to bring it back down to 1, I simply push it forward. You see that? And it goes forward. So I'm going to pull it back up, and then I'm going to push it forward, and you see it goes back down. Okay? So that's manual mode. Now, if I want to take it to neutral, okay, all I have to do is get out of manual shift by taking this and pulling it back that way to drive. And I can push it forward without pressing the unlock button for it to get to neutral. Now watch this. It went up to neutral. Now, in order to get it to reverse, I cannot just push up on it again and go for reverse. I have to press the unlock button, press it, and while I'm pressing it down, pressing it in, I just take the shifter and push it forward, and it goes to reverse, and the back light comes back on. You hear that beep? But if I want to take it back out, I just go to neutral. Okay? But there's another way I can take it out of that. Okay, so I went to neutral and it went down to drive. Okay, so you can go from neutral to drive without pressing the unlock button. Okay, did you see that? Now, when I'm ready to put the car back into park, I just simply come up to this P button right here and press the P, and it goes to park, back to park. Okay, so that's a general guide on how to put the this particular Countryman, Mini Countryman, into gear. Now, it's important that you read your owner's manual for your particular vehicle so you know the precise instructions on how to put the gear into place. Okay, this is just a mere guide, layman's guide right here. So read your owner's manual so you know the exact way that that the manufacturer wants you to shift your gears. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.